How to turn on and enable favorites bar on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Microsoft Edge. This is the home page. Go to the top here, the top corner, click on those three dots and choose settings. After you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page. Now go right here and click on this appearance option. Scroll down. Right here you will find show favorites bar. Now you can enable it from here like this, and it's here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.